Hey Paul, thank you very much for coming on the roof cleaning course today. Do you mind me asking, what did you find beneficial about the course?
I'd previously been on another course before, and after being on your course today, it's been total night and day. Really appreciate what you've done today. It's given me a lot more confidence in taking on any roof cleaning jobs that maybe come through for the business. So yeah, it's given me a better understanding of what should be done and done properly.
Brilliant. So what's your company called and what direction are you going to take it in?
Yeah, so I'm Paul from Yeti Clean Tayside.
Yeah.
I'm going to specialise more in roof cleaning. We do all exterior cleaning, but I'd like to specialise more into the roof cleaning side of things.
Fantastic. So for anyone watching this and thinking about going on a roof cleaning course, have you got anything you could say to them?
Yeah, definitely. If you want to be properly trained, have the accreditation with CPD as well to help with social media and to help with customers, I'd give 5-star review for it. So well worth it. Sauce rolls were nice as well, and you do get lunch, but yeah, top notch. Can't argue with that.
That's lovely. Thank you very much, Paul. That's great.
Cheers.